Everybody, welcome to MTX. Today we have a 2026 Big Tex 7x14 14LX dump trailer. It's a lot to say, but it says a lot about this trailer that it has a lot to offer. It's at an amazing price point, including all the amazing features that comes with it. It's part of the NOMAD series, and of course it's a Big Tex. It's located here in MTX, over here in Glen Allen, Virginia. Its payload capacity is 9,810 pounds, and its GVWR is 14,000 pounds. As you can see, this is a huge trailer with extremely high sides. See here, here's the couplers, a 2 5/16 inch adjustable coupler. You also have a manual jack here that's 7,000 pounds. You have your storage. It's operating on a scissor lift. And above, of course, we can see the tarp. The floor is 10 gauge, and you can see the fenders right there. You can also see the wheels. You can see the barn doors open, and you can see all the space that it comes with. It has 4 D-rings. It has spread out gates as well, and you also got the LED lights below it. And as we go to the other side, you can see that it has a spare tire mount, and that's everything about this trailer. This trailer is at an amazing deal. If you want to learn more about this trailer and if you want to buy it, please call the number down below or visit our website at www.mtxtrailer.com. We're located here in Glen Allen, Virginia. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you on the lot.